Sardis families. At Sardis, we're focusing on climbing the ladder to success, but there's always room at the top for food, family, and fun. Maybe some donuts? Are you a great cook or want to become one? Does your family enjoy cooking together? Do you dream of one day becoming a celebrity chef? Do you enjoy making videos? Do you like to eat? I do. Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, we invite you to be a part of Sardis's newest video production, Cooking with Sardis, starring you and your family. The purpose of the Family Engagement Project is to provide families with an opportunity to sharpen students' academic skills in the kitchen environment. In this past year, the kitchen has become the classroom in many of our homes. So, why not extend that learning to cooking and sharing family traditions? So, Sardis is looking for video segments to compile into a family cooking show that will air on our school YouTube channel. We need your help. To participate, prepare a short 5 to 8 minute video featuring you and members of your family cooking up a recipe of your choice. Any members of the family can be in the video as long as they don't mind it being on YouTube. Provide an ingredient list in the video on a poster board or a piece of paper that you film as part of the video. And as you show the ingredients, make sure that you include all the steps for making the dish. Upload the video into Google Drive and share it with me, Blair Austin, at ucps.k12.nc.us, and make sure the settings in your drive allow for public viewing. There will be a slide at the end of this video that I'll share with you how to do that if you need assistance. When you do share the video, please include your children's names as well as the names of anyone in the video in the message box when you share it with me. Be aware that the video may need to be edited to fit the time frame allowed for the production. Don't worry about adding text or graphics to your video. The raw footage is preferred as several clips will be compiled to create a single episode. And remember, this video will be featured on the Sardis YouTube channel as well as Facebook, Twitter, and the school's website. The last day to upload a video is Thursday, March the 25th. The video will premiere on Sardis's YouTube channel sometime in April. And Chip really can't wait to see what's cooking. Bon appetit! How to upload a video to share in Google Drive. You will need a Google account. Log into your Google Drive. Find the video that you would like to share. Right-click on the video, as I'm doing here. This is one that Ms. Hayner created, showing us how to make a pound cake. You will right-click, and then this screen should pop up with the symbol for share. When you do select the share button, you will need to add my name, blair.austin@ucps.k12.nc.us, and make sure that right here it says anyone on the internet with this link can view. That way I'll be able to access the video and download it and put it into our video creation for our project. Good luck, everybody, and please reach out to me at the same email address if you need any assistance.